This is a little addendum to our stranded series that covers prop rods and why you don't need a center stand on your dirt bike. Hi, this is Bill Babcock with Expert Amateur. We're doing a little addendum on our flat stranded series covering prop rods and how to set them up so that they're reliable, so you don't need to add the weight of a center stand on your bike and you don't have to lean it up against a tree or lay it down on the ground to fix a flat. And I drilled a hole in my bash plate and put a washer in it, just glued it to it with JB Weld just to reinforce the edges. So my prop rod is just a regular thing you can pick up anywhere. I've made a bunch of them, but these are cheap enough. And you just put some weight against the tank and the handlebars until your front wheel comes off the ground. Slide the prop stand under, and it's just as reliable as a kickstand with that additional of that hole. And you can take your wheel off and do whatever repair you need to do. Getting it back off is just as easy. You just put some weight against the tank and the handlebar, kick it away like a kickstand, and it's free. The rear, you can drill a hole in your bash plate for this, or you can just find a spot under the peg to use. There's usually good places to lock it in. Now my rear tire is free, and removing it's just the reverse. You just put your shoulder against the seat, take it away. So then all we got to do is store it, and that's simple enough to do. I just put it in the bag with all of my flat repair stuff. So thanks for watching. Short little video. I hope it's helpful to you.